Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Changkuoth Nyak. In today's top story, the government is defending its decision to keep first Vice President Dr. Machar under house arrest. They say it is because of a criminal case, not politics, but many people are not convinced. Dr. Riek Machar, the first Vice President of the Republic of South Sudan, has been under house arrest since March 26, 2025, almost 5 months without any formal charges. The government said he is linked to fighting in Nasser County, Upper Nile State, where people were killed. His supporters say this is just an excuse to silence him before the 2026 election. On Monday, Coleman Nyang, head of the team that monitored the 2018 peace agreement or peace deal, told a visiting African Union Peace and Security Council delegation that the case is legal, not political. The case of Dr. Riek Machar is going through legal steps. It is not political, it is a criminal case. Cole also said that the second group of Unified National Forces will start training in September and will be deployed in November to prepare for the election. But the opposition disagree. They say this is a political move and some officials are acting from personal grudges going back to the liberation struggle. They also warn that keeping Machar under house arrest without charges could create more political tension. Meanwhile, the Peace and Security Council of the African Union has called for permanent ceasefire and stronger protection for civilian and aid workers after completing 2-day visit to Juba. The 15-member delegation led by Dr. Mohamed Khalid arrived in Juba on Sunday. They met President Salva Kiir, the National Election Committee, and the National Constitutional Review Committee. They also met with church leaders, civil society group, researchers, the media, and the international partners, including the Troika, the United States, the United Kingdom, and Norway. Other meetings included the European Union, the UN mission in South Sudan, the reconstituted Joint Monitoring and Evaluation Commission, IGAD, government ministers, and the high-level National Transitional Committee. In a statement on Tuesday, the African Union said it supports the full implementation of the 2018 peace deal and the planned December 2026 election, which will end the current transitional period. The African Union called for an inclusive political dialogue among leaders to resolve the current crisis peacefully. They also stressed the importance of protection civilians and humanitarian workers. The African Union team said their visit was also to show solidarity with the people of South Sudan. In other news, the commissioner of Mundari West County in western Equatoria State said a United Nations truck was ambushed on Monday along the Mundari-Juba road, injuring the driver. Zip Fadawa said the UN vehicle was traveling from Yambio to Juba when it came under attack on Monday afternoon between Lanyi and Doro. She confirmed the driver was hurt, but the extent of the injuries is still unknown. The incident happened between Lanyi and Doro in the area between Mundere East. While we know the general detail and social media report appear accurate, we are still working to find out exactly what happened. She added that sometimes such attacks are first blamed on army group in the bush, but later investigations show common criminals were responsible. The Lanyi-Doro Juba road has seen several ambushes in recent months targeting both public and private vehicles. In July, passenger bus was attacked near Lui, killing 1 woman and injuring 2 men. The African Union delegation will finish its visit on Tuesday, but the big question remains: is Dr. Riek Machar arrest about justice or politics, and will the African Union call for a permanent ceasefire, bringing peace to South Sudan? Well, this is Changkuoth Nyak. Remember to like, share and subscribe and click the notification bell to get the latest news from me when a new report kick in. Thank you for watching. Let's meet on the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.